There's Mr. Andrew right there. Saturday morning. Look who's here. My lady again with the pup. Showing them some love. And Mia, finally here. And me. Mia, you ready to go with me? Let's go. Jump on the ski. Right here. Mia, come on, right here. This one.
I think she likes my ski better.
He's ready.
And the door flung wide open from the anger of the storm. And these eyes are still wide open. And a dream so hard to find when you're away. I walked into the room. There wasn't much to say. If he had gone right.
What's up, Mia?
Come on, jump. Jump over here.
My pump tried to castrate me already. Oh. I'm not making tight enough corner.
Push the thing backwards on this side.
Oh,
go the opposite on this side.
Oh boy. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
So when you're gonna do that, you gotta push backwards on this side to make it turn.
It's a little shallow over here.
See, and I'll go paddle this way. Let me get away.
Whoa.
You're doing good.
About the same size as my SXR. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
hanging out for a little bit. About to head back to the truck with the guys. Yeah, awesome day today, like always. I did had a rollover earlier. I hit a wake and went over and cartwheel and everything, but I didn't have the GoPro on, so that sucks. Alright, so we're heading back. Heading back. Well guys, we wrapped it up for today on the way home already. The pups are already tired. They did a mess back there.
So they're in trouble.
So they're in trouble with me. So enjoy the video, like it, subscribe, share it to your friend, share it with your mom, share it with your aunt, with your cousin, with everybody. Peace out.